Do you like something that's quick and easy to eat? Well, you know what? I know a good dish, and it's only 4 ingredients. I'm gonna make a breakfast for dinner. I'm making a corned beef hash pizza. Let's do it. I'm gonna start with a canned pizza dough. Whack it. I'm just stretching it. I'm gonna pre-bake it for 8 minutes in the oven. Next comes the corned beef hash. I love corned beef hash so much. You can use the canned variety, which I normally do, but instead I'm gonna use this one from the refrigerator section. Start frying it up. Look at that beautiful lump. I'm gonna add a little Thousand Island dressing to that hash and some garlic. The dough is complete, and now I'm gonna add that cooked hash on top. I'm adding some Swiss cheese, and then I'm gonna bake it for 10 minutes. Now comes the fun part. You crack a few eggs onto the pizza, and you bake it for 5 more minutes. Now I'm just gonna leave it in there and turn the oven off and let the eggs set. It's finished, and doesn't it look great? I can't wait to try this pizza. Chop it up. Corned beef hash pizza. I'm ready to try it. Good breakfast pizza. I love corned beef. And the egg on top. And Swiss cheese. Priceless. I love trying unique things. You can make unique things too. And this was only 4 ingredients. Okay, I did add those additional 2 ingredients. Shh, you don't have to though. But I'm very happy you are here with me on Jim's Kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Do you know why I made corned beef pizza today? It is corned beef day, so I thought I'd celebrate. You can celebrate too. See you next time. What do you call someone who's standing on 1 foot eating corned beef pizza? A balanced breakfast.